Do you want to check if the server of Genshin Impact's mobile gaming apps? Your Genshin Impact game might not work when the server gets down. Pretty often, your Genshin Impact mobile game server could get down for technical difficulties. If your server is down, then your Genshin Impact won't work and you'll not be able to play the game. If you have any problem with Genshin Impact mobile game, checking the server is the first thing you need to do. To check the Genshin Impact server, open a browser on your mobile device, tap the search bar. Now type www.downdetector.com. Now tap here. Once you come over here, type Genshin Impact. Tap Go. First, look at the status. If it shows user reports indicate no current problems at Genshin Impact, that means there is no problem with the server. Now to make sure, you can scroll down a little bit and see a volume chat here. Now if you found blue volume is higher, that also means that the server is down for the Genshin Impact. Or if you see the blue volume, I am raising it just a little, or it shows flat like this, that means there is no current problem with the server. Now also, if you come at this bottom line and find that people are commenting the same issues with the Genshin Impact as your face, that indicates that there are server issues for the most Genshin Impact users. So guys, this is how you can check the server issues for your Genshin Impact mobile. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.